Dames en heren, zij is zo populair. De band Texas. De hits I Don't Wanna Love and Say What You Want. Maar 8 jaar is weer terug met een nieuw album. De band Texas. En hier is hier Charlene Spittering.
Thank God I don't have on high heels.
I'm sorry?
Thank God I don't have on high heels.
No. That's because of the Stones,
I
yes.
know.
Ze zegt, ik ben blij dat ik geen hoge hak heb voor al die stenen waar ik op moet komen. It was 8 years that we hear something new from the band Texas.
Yeah.
Where have you been all the years?
It's, well, you know, time runs away. You get old, you know. We kind of felt we had done so much music and we'd sold so many records and people liked the band, but kind of it got... We were kind of passing people by and we thought we should give the public a bit of a rest.
It was also to do with the illness of one of your...
Yes, almost 4 years ago, Ali, our guitarist, had a grade 5 brain aneurysm.
Yeah.
So that came as quite a shock.
Yeah. And now, can we say it is time out, or was it so 8 years not really inspired by the band, so we do now after 8 years?
No, I mean, we really didn't. I mean, everybody just wanted to do personal projects, but then we were intending to do the next Texas album when Ali had the aneurysm, and then for the first time ever in our whole sort of career in Texas, when he started to get better, we suddenly questioned whether Texas would ever make another record, and that was the first time. But as soon as he was getting out of hospital, he was like, "I want to go on tour. I want to let's make a new record." And we were like, "Wow, okay." So yeah, he was inspiring to see how I mean, he died twice.
Yeah.
And they managed to save him, so it was really inspiring to see that he wanted to make music again.
Yeah, but you had also in between a solo project. You made 2 albums.
Yes.
And I read a lot about you, and I know you have so many. you did.
Poor you.
Yeah, you know, you have so many famous friends, like yes, Gwyneth Paltrow.
Yeah,
you have the telephone number of Paul McCartney. I just checked your mobile phone. and I almost had a little fight with Paris Hilton last time.
Who, me?
You, yes. Oh, please tell the story. It's so grappig, ze heeft Paris Hilton echt beledigd. Tell me the story about how you insult Paris Hilton. I love the story.
Well, I want to confess I don't know Paris Hilton, just to clear that up.
The little blonde thing who
Yes.
don't have any brains but money.
Exactly, and you know...
A lot of hotel rooms.
So true. Yeah, when Daddy has money, it's always easy.
She can always sleep around the world for free.
It's cool. But no, I was at a party in London and I was with all my friends and we were sitting in a booth and my friends had their jackets and their handbags on the chairs and Paris Hilton arrived with a big entourage and she stood on the seat and she's dancing in like this all over my friends' jackets and my friends are saying, "Excuse me, could you get off our jackets?" And she just ignored them. So I put my straw in my drink and I blew the drink on her.
Did she know who you were?
No. She, it was kind of funny. She was like that. Who blew that? Who blew? I was like, look, get off the chair, get off the jackets. And then she got her security guys and I was thinking, oh, God, please don't let my child see me in the newspapers in the morning, tackled to the ground by some security people. And I said, look, you know, you've been disrespectful, move. And she said to me some things, and I said, I kind of came in really close and pulled in and said, if you don't, I will kick the out of you, and that'll be it.
Oh, that's great.
So,
I'm so proud of you. I'm really proud, yes. And now, how did your daughter respond? Because you have one daughter, she's 10 years old.
Yeah.
How did she respond when she heard the story?
She doesn't even know who she is.
Oh, no?
She doesn't know who Paris Hilton is, no.
But she's 10. Oh, she only loves Kitty.
She's 10, 11, but, you know, she's a bit like... I mean, you know, she doesn't really know who that is at all.
But last time she told you that you were really cool.
She told me a couple of weeks ago that she said, Mum, you're really cool at the moment. And I said, why is that? She said, you're all over Instagram. People are talking about the records. And I was a bit like, how do you know this? And she's like, oh, I was on Instagram. And I'm thinking, oh, my God, what has she put on Instagram?
You're Instagram bait now.
So she's like on Instagram doing all her stuff.
Yeah. We are looking forward to hear your new song.
Oh, thank you.